Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I want to show you how to save a video from X on iPhone. So let's go to X application and let's find specific video post on X that you want to save to your gallery. So if you have your X premium subscription, then the process for you is very simple. You have to tap this share icon under the post itself, and here from the list of options you need to find download video. It will be downloaded to your gallery and you can review it. But if you do not have your X premium subscription, then you will have to use a third-party tool. So let's copy link to this post. Now I'm going to my browser and you want to find Twitter video downloader, and please open this website. Let's go to this website. I'm pasting the link that I have copied and press download button. Now I'm gonna select the option that is suitable for me, and now please be careful with those advertisements. You want to close that all and press download button. Here I want to go to my downloads, and boom, this is the video that I have downloaded. It by default it downloads it to files, and if you want it to be in your gallery, you just have to tap this share icon in the bottom right and select option save video. Now let's go to gallery, to photos, and this is the video that I have saved from X. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.